To solve this nice exponential equation, all we need to do is to apply the log of indices on the right hand side in order to factor out or break down the right hand side into two different parts. But before we do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's get started. I want you to recall the law of indices that says if you have a to the power of x plus y, and this will be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. Now you come to see that that's exactly what this equation is all about. So if we apply that, we're going to have our x to the power of x to be equal to 10 to the power of x multiplied by 10 to the power of 100. Great. Now, having gotten that and haven't applied that law of indices, we can now separate this. What do we do next? Now, to simplify this further, I think it's necessary we clear 10 to the power of x from the right hand side. So if we clear 10 to the power of x from the right hand side, we definitely divide both sides by 10 to the power of x. And if we do that, 10 to the power of x will clear 10 to the power of x. Then on the right hand side, we'll be left with 10 to the power of 100. And then we'll have x to the power of x divided by 10 to the power of x. Now you notice one thing, that we have same base in this part. So since we have same base, I'll also draw your mind back to also a law of indices. We'll have a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x. This can be equal to a divided by b all to the power of x because they have same power. So if we apply that, we're going to have this to become x divided by 10 all to the power of x, and this will become 10 to the power of 1000. Great. So having gotten to this point, what do we do in order to simplify this further? Now pause this video a little and ask yourself, how can you solve this equation? Now I have one good idea. The good idea I have is to divide both sides by the exponent of 1 divided by 10. You know, if I do that, I'm going to make the right hand side, the base of the right hand side, to be equal to the power of the right hand side. And that way I can be able to simplify further. Now let's try that. We'll have x divided by 10 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 divided by 10, right? And this will be equal to 10 to the power of 100 multiplied by 1 divided by 10. Great. So this is exactly what we are going to have. So that expression will now give us what? That expression will now be x divided by 10, right? All to the power of x divided by 10, and this will be equal to 10 to the power of 100 divided by 10. And 100 divided by 10 will give us 10 to the power of what? Of 10. Great. Now having seen that, this other side will also give us, this will give us 10 x divided by 10 to the power of x divided by 10. Now notice something, that we have same base, the same base, same with the power, and the same base, same with the power. Now, according to one law of indices, if you have a to the power of a to be equal to x to the power of x, do you know that a can be equal to x, the exponent to equate, as long as x is greater than or equal to 1? So, if we apply that, we are going to see that if we take one of that, we're going to now see that our x divided by 10 will only be equal to 10. Now to find the value of x, what we simply need to do is to multiply both sides by 10. So we have 10 divided by 10, and the reason why we are doing that is to clear the denominator on the left hand side, which is equal to 10, and this will be 10 multiplied by what? 10. So if this 10 clears this 10, we'll have our x to be equal to 100. Great. So x equal to 100 is the solution to that exponential equation that is given to us up there. Now I want you to look at something. Let's test to see if that solution is actually correct. What is our initial question given? We are given x to the power of x, right? So we are asked to find the value of x to the power of x equal to 10 to the power of x plus 100. Now if we insert the value of x equal to 100, will the left hand side be equal to the right hand side? Let's see. We'll have 100 to the power of 100, right? And this will be equal to 10 to the power of 100, right, plus 100. So 100 plus 100 will give us 10 to the power of 200. Now this will give us 100 to the power of 100. Now remember, 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100, right? So if we have 10 to the power of 2, and this will be multiplied by 100. So we have what we call the power of power. So the power of a power. So since we have a power of a power, according to the rule of exponent, the exponent will multiply. So this will give us 10 to the power of 200 to be equal to 10 to the power of 200. So you see, x equal to 100 is the solution that truly satisfies that exponential equation that is given to us. I know you did find value watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with friends and colleagues, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.